So as Wall Street's volatility is clearly spiking, what opportunities exist for you? Hello, my name is Paul Carroll, the CEO and founder of Avion Wealth, an elite wealth management firm based here in South Texas. For months we've been discussing the risks of the Magnificent Seven and how a market so tightly aligned with those Magnificent Seven is also at risk. Since Friday, we've seen the Magnificent Seven shed $1 trillion in market value. Why? Well, we're seeing the hype of AI fail to match the reality economically. There are real risks facing the chip-making industry. Most notably, we have TSMC out in Taiwan. The risk against Taiwan from China is significant. The risk to the global chip-making capacity is even greater. Just last week it was reported Warren Buffett pared his exposure to Apple by 50%. He believes in it in the long run, but clearly he feels that this run-up has gone as far as it should. Apple is down 6%, Nvidia is down 10%, Tesla is down over 8%. We're seeing a lot of these tech stocks finally be realigned with reality. Wall Street's fear index, is known as the VIX, is actually at its highest since the pandemic. At the pandemic, the VIX in March 16, 2020 was 66. Today, it's a hair under 59. Global markets, as a result, are in the midst of a rapidly intensifying sell-off. So what's triggered all this? It appears to be a not great but not terrible jobs report. You know, the July jobs report typically is a little lackluster because of a lack of mobility in the market during July, and also the failure of the Fed to lower interest rates. But these are small triggers relative to a large reaction. That two essentially non-events could result in such a significant market correction is really indicative of just how fragile this run-up had become. In fact, the fact that gold is among the asset classes has been hit suggests that margin calls are resulting in wealthy people having to sell their stocks of gold to meet those calls. So what do we do now? Catching the bottom of a market is rather like catching a falling knife. It's a really good way to get bloodied. At Avion, our clients are positioned to weather this volatility, and more important, to take full advantage of the buying opportunities that will follow once this market correction is complete. We wish you the best of investment success, and should you have any questions, reach out to me or anyone on my team.